Now we'll discuss about our circulatory system. Let us derive out what is circulatory system. Circulatory system is that organ system in our body which helps in the circulation. Circulation of what? Circulation of oxygen, important nutrients, gases in the whole body. Okay. Circulatory system is that system of organ system which deals with our heart. Heart is an important organ of our circulatory system. And this, what does our heart do? It helps in the circulation of or the flow of, most importantly, blood, nutrients, oxygen and other gases in our body, and which is very important for the normal functioning of our body. We need blood, we need oxygen, we need energy for doing work, and that energy, that blood, that oxygen, that nutrients are supplied only when our heart pumps these things. So the major organ of our circulatory system is heart. And how does it function? What are the two main things which helps it to doing the circulation? The two main organs of heart are arteries and veins. Now let us discuss what are these arteries and veins. Arteries are those things which are there in the heart and which helps in the circulation of oxygen. They maintain the circulation of gas which is rich in oxygen to the whole body. It means arteries take away oxygen from the heart and circulate it to the whole body. Is it clear to all of you? What does arteries do? They take oxygen, they take gas from the heart which is rich in oxygen and supply it to the whole body. Is it clear? Now we come to veins. It is opposite of arteries. The arteries are supplying oxygen to the whole body, and what are veins doing? They are carrying oxygen which is rich gas which is rich in carbon dioxide from the body back to the heart. For why? Because heart is a station where all the gases comes, whether it is purified or unpurified. If it is purified, it is sent back to the whole body as a circulation of oxygen, and if it is unpurified, it is taken back by the heart and further it is sent to our lungs for purification. So the major important function is done by arteries and our veins. Arteries supply oxygen, gas rich in oxygen from the heart to the whole body, which helps in the smooth running of our body, and it continuously needs oxygen which it gets from veins which supply those gas which are rich in carbon dioxide, which the heart sends to the lungs for purification. So is the concept of circulatory system clear to all of you? Circulatory system is that system or that flow, circulation or flow of blood, nutrients, oxygen and other gases in the whole body.